What's up everybody? Welcome to BalkanMoto. Today we're starting a new series on me building my garage. So currently this is what the garage looks like. So we have the bikes, the table, the workbench is kind of disassembled, ton of shelves, ton of tools on the floor, and a whole bunch of garbage. Also a bunch of gardening tools. So this first step would be to get all this stuff out of here, clear out the shelves, take the shelves off, take all the nails off, and start to actually tape up and finish the drywall installation in here. Once that's done, we're gonna paint, and then we're gonna focus on the flooring. I'm gonna put in an epoxy floor in here, and then we're gonna set up the tool benches and organize the motorcycles and all that. But first, let's start by clearing the space out and designing what it would look like once it's done. Alright, half of the garage is cleared out. Let's clear out the rest and then we can see what we can do. Alright, now the left side is clean as well. And the tool bench is in its place. So now let's take this as a snapshot and go to Photoshop and see what we can do. Okay, so we're now in Photoshop and let's clean this up a little bit just to kind of get a better idea of what the final product would look like. So first order of business, let's get rid of the shelves on the walls, and I have already done that. Next, the hose that we have here, I'm actually gonna probably keep it. I'll probably get a different storage thing for it, and instead of routing it in these little wiggly hooks, I'll probably route it just at the edge of the drywall. But for now, let's just delete that as well, just so we have a cleaner wall. And then the next thing we're going to do here is let's take a look at painting the walls. So what I want to do is I want to paint the walls a light neutral gray and the ceiling a flat black. So if we do that, we end up with something looking like this. Now obviously the red stairwell and the white door don't look too good in there. But before we deal with those, I did mention that what I want to do with the floor is I'm going to do an epoxy floor. To do that, I'll probably have to diamond grind the floor, fill in all the little erosion that you see in here just to get a nice even surface, and then do epoxy, flakes, and so on and so forth. So without delving too deep into the visuals here, let's just say that the floor would end up looking something like this. So a black epoxy floor with white flake in it, white and black and gray flake in it, which will also extend up to the drywall on the sides, so covering all that concrete surface and providing a nice, easy to clean showroom like space. Then we come to the door and the stairs, which, just to make them fit a little better, we're going to paint them an eggshell black as well. And that's kind of the idea behind how things would look before we start to add any new equipment in the garage. So just as a comparison, the before, the proposed after. My idea is to obviously put the top back on this bench. I'm going to get another bench for here with more drawers under it. There needs to be one of those big standing drawers to store a bunch of the car cleaning materials, detailing, whatever else that isn't a tool will go in there. I do plan on mounting, buying and mounting some what are they, quick lift jacks for some car work, and putting them on here. The motorcycles will stay on the left side by the wall, so maybe on this wall we'll do some helmets. And of course I have to be able to fit a car in there too, so the car will go kind of in the main space. The other thing that isn't visible from this picture, there currently is two neutral or daylight light bulbs that are kind of like on either side of the space. I will likely rewire those to better lighting fixtures that can provide a lot more light, so that when the garage door is closed, I can actually light up the space and do work in there. And the other thing that I forgot, right now I have two outlets that need to be replaced, as well as the light switch up here. And I have the hose outlet, but there is no central vac outlet, so I will probably be doing fitting that in as well, somewhere near the hose outlet there too, so that this could actually be a fully functioning garage where you can, do everything you need to do. So that's the plan. Make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications when new videos become available. Check me out on Instagram at BalkanMoto 2018, and make sure to check out BalkanMoto.com, where I have posted the latest article for the cafe race with the full map of the cafes and bars and bakeries that I've already gone to, and their contact information. And stay tuned for more episodes of this series, as I'm going to try to push it out and finish it by end of August. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.